How to fix your Instacart cannot create account. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Instacart application. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and choose your sign up method. Enter your information. So when signing up, there are a lot of different options. You can continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, or even continue with email. If you do all these three options right up here, then it will directly log you into an account. But if you click on continue and you continue with email, you'll have to go ahead and provide these information right here, and then they'll send you a verification code either to your email or your number. And once you do that, your account will be ready. But if you're still facing problems, you want to firstly check your internet connection, make sure that you are using a valid phone number and email, and always make sure that you are meeting the password requirements using at least 8+ character with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbol. If it doesn't work, then try again later. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.